Hello, this is Hugo, your host at KnowHax. Welcome to KnowHax. I just wanted to share with you a recording showing how to use the app, onboarding you a little bit if you have not had a chance to join the call yesterday. So let me now share my screen and navigate to the application. The homepage that you see when you log in. Whenever you go to app.knowhax.com, you have challenges that you can browse as a participant, and if you're logging in as a mentor or registering as a mentor, you can sign up here. If you're registering as a participant, you click on one of these challenges and you follow the process. But if you're already registered, you have chosen a challenge, you're either a mentor or you have chosen a challenge as a participant, then you just log in here. Enter your name, enter your email address, log in, and you get your dashboard where you see new messages, activities to do, tasks, new mentor sessions coming up for you, upcoming events, and badges. And then you have a list of resources that you can click on, for instance, joining the Learning Knowledge Graph program offered by the Knowledge Graph Conference. That's free for you, that you can begin until tomorrow. You have also a menu. You can navigate all of these different tabs. So I would say the most important thing for you in this hackathon is to chat with your team and with mentors. So we're gonna explore the message tab. I posted a few important messages here in this main thread for the general discussion. So you have the general chat, and then you have team chats. I am part of many teams because I'm trying to talk to you all. But when you join a team or when you join as a mentor, you're going to see the general chat. And when you join as a team participant, then you're going to see your team here automatically. If you want to create another chat with other people that are not in your team, me for instance, if you want to ask any questions, click here on that icon. Add a name, like your name, my name. And you can then select the people you want to talk to here. It loads for a few seconds, but then it appears. So if I wanted to talk to Tony or create a discussion with myself here, you can do that. You have to know the name of the people that you need to connect with. KGCP here is Meru. She's gonna answer your questions related to the Learning Knowledge Graph program. So you can create this discussion here. I'm not gonna do that, but on your end you can do that, and it's gonna create a discussion that looks just like that. Here, to remove the noise in the general chat, you can click on pinned messages, and you see only the messages that people pin. Occurrence, it's only me, and you have most of the necessary links and information that you need here to onboard. But I'm also sharing onboarding documentation with this video, a presentation, and there's going to be an activity coming soon. If you want to look at your upcoming events, you can go to the calendar and either have the month view, that's by default here, and you can have the week view. You can click on an event and you can see a bit more information about that event. You register for that event, and you can also join the link to the room directly here by clicking on join. You can add the event to your calendar, whether it's Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. The most important one is tomorrow, and it's the launch event. I've shared a few emails about that. Now, other important things in the application are mentor tabs and your profile. Mentor tab is whenever you are a mentor. For you can update your availability so that people see the number of mentoring sessions that are available for you, that they can book. And when you're a participant, you don't see this availability update. but you can still see the roster of mentors and you can book these mentors. If you're a mentor, you can also book another mentor. That might happen. It might help you connect with other people. So go ahead and book a meeting with Simon. This is booked, meaning that now instead of 10 available sessions, we're going to see 9 available sessions for Simon. And we will see the mentor's available time if he has shared it, which is not the case here. So in that case, what you need to do is to go back to your chats, create a chat with Simon, mentor session, Simon, Hugo, for instance, or you can add your team number, team, I don't know, 32, and the member, well, in that case, he pops up here. This is not ranked by alphabetical order, so we should try to do that. But if I tap Simon, you're gonna find Simon. You don't need to select anything here, just accept challenges here. For instance, you can choose a picture for that chat if you want, and I'll do that. It's the first one that pops. And I will create this discussion between Simon and I. And there you go. It's here. And once you have created it, you can say, "Hi, Simon, what is your next availability for us to talk?" You know, something like that. You can add more information about what you want, what your goal is, knowing that you will have 15 minutes to talk with the mentor. So this is the most important thing that I wanted to share with you. Then there are other things that you will be able to do. Look at the tasks that you might have in your team. You don't see that here because I'm a mentor, but if you're within a team, you should be able to see that. You can look at activities that are coming up for you, like onboarding activities. These are like a dynamic series of slides where you press a button and you get a certain number of points. And in the end, if you just by clicking the done button, you're gonna get the points, but you need to go through the slides and learn or practice or enter maybe sometimes either feedback or ideas you have for working with knowledge graphs and things like that. So trying to have like micro engagements as activities for you during the hack, but also after the hack in some cases. Then you have badges. This will be filled with your names, avatars, your skills. You can give badges to each other. Mentors can give you other badges, and then we as organizers can give you a third kind of badge for achievements. Then the mentors are going to be the judges as well, and they can see your solutions, and they will vote for the best teams or people in specific areas. For you, information about the solutions. What do you need? You will need to create a video, a team video, showing what you've done and explaining that in a very concise way. 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes max. Second thing you need is a slide deck. So it's like a pitch deck, but it shows what challenge you needed to address, what specific solution you wanted to propose and why, and then your solution features and how you got there, so that we understand what you've done, and we should see who's done what in the team as well. And the last part, the third aspects of a solution, is the code or data set or prototype or design that you prepared. So this is in the presentation that I'm sharing with the onboarding email, and you can always ask me if you have any questions, and I'll repeat that by the end of the hackathon. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.